Hey kids, today we're going to do a line plot. Last year you probably did line plots and they're pretty simple, especially when you have whole numbers here. All right, I'll do a video later and make it a little bit more challenging and we'll add fractions. But right now we're going to keep it simple. All right, this is my line plot. My title is time that students read, and each number on the line plot represents hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5 hours, okay? Each X represents a student, all right? So let's say that 3 students read last week for an hour. So you put 3 X's over the 1. 3 students read for 1 hour. Let's say that one student read for Let's see that one student read for 1.5 hours. So you put it midway between the 1 and the 2. That represents one student reading for 1.5 hours. Let's say that 2 students read for 3 times as much as this student. We'll say that this is Chase. 2 students read for 3 times as much as Chase, all right? Well, Chase read 1.5 hours, and these 2 students read for 3 times that amount. So these 2 students read for 4.5 hours. Put 2 X's above the 4.5. How about 3 students reading for 5 hours? 3 X's above the 5. Okay. You can't plot somebody for like 2 hours and 10 minutes because, I mean, I guess you could put it there, but you should stay above the lines. Okay. In this line plot, it's intervals of a half an hour. All right. So you have an hour, half hour, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and so forth. So you can only plot on here 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, like I said. So to do something that's not a half an hour, you really can't do that. All right. I mean, if you wanted to do that, you'd have to put lines in here to represent the minutes, and I didn't do that because I just wanted to make it simple. All right. So that's a real simple one. That's a real simple one. Again, I'm going to make a fraction one later, making it a little bit more challenging. But for now, that's pretty good. So, all right. Thank you for watching. Be safe.